Alright, hello everyone. My name is Carrie Dodgen and I'll be your English teacher for the Our World series. We're doing book 2B today. So check your book, make sure you have the right class. So Our World 2B. Okay, we're going to get started. And let's open our books to page 4 and 5. We're going to start with Unit 5. So page 4 and 5. Day by day. Well, let's see. What are we going to learn about in this unit? Let's take a look at the picture. Parrot taking a bath in Costa Rica. Here's a parrot. He's very cute. And he's taking a bath in Costa Rica. Do you know where Costa Rica is? It's in South America. Well, Central America. You have North America, South America. Central America is in between. So it's near Mexico, Costa Rica. So day by day, we're going to talk about things we do every day. So take a bath, brush our teeth, go to bed. So things we do every day. We're going to talk about when we do things. When meaning time. So I wake up at 8 o'clock. So when meaning time. And we're going to name parts of the day. Like I get up in the morning, I eat lunch in the afternoon, I go to bed at night. So parts of the day, morning, afternoon, night. We're going to learn that too. Alright, so this picture of the parrot, what is he doing? The bird is eating? No. Talking? No. Taking a bath? Yes. Sleeping? No. He is taking a bath. Alright, let's do the vocabulary. Page 6 and 7. So things we usually do every day. We'll make daily things cool. So usually in the morning. What do we do in the morning? We get up. So, we get up or wake up and get out of bed. So get up. In the morning, sometimes we wash our face with water. And when we wash our face, we then brush our teeth. So brush my teeth in the morning. Let's go to the next page. Page 7. Also in the morning. Oh, you can't see green here. Let me choose a different color. Maybe hello? Brighter. We get dressed in the morning. We have to get ready, so we get dressed. Then we eat breakfast. Breakfast is the meal we eat in the morning. Alright, let's go back to page 6. What about in the afternoon? in the afternoon, I go to school. Then I eat lunch. Lunch is the meal we eat in the afternoon. Then I play with friends after school or play video games after school in the afternoon. So next, at night. At night or in the evening. In the evening is before night, when the sun goes down. At night is when the sky is dark and there's stars out. So in the evening, I eat dinner with my family. Dinner is the meal we eat in the evening. What happens at night? I go to bed. So we can talk about things we do every day using then if we have more than one. So I get up. What do I do next? Then, so we can use then, I wash my face. I wash my face, then I get dressed. Okay, let's go back to 6. So in the morning, what do? I get up, then I wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. Then I get dressed, and then I eat breakfast. All right, what about in the afternoon? I go to school, then I eat lunch, then I play with friends, then I play video games. So this is in the afternoon. Technically, I think we go to school in the morning still. So we have school in the morning and the afternoon. All right, what happens in the evening? In the evening, I eat dinner. And then at night, I go to bed. So things that happen every day, we use the base form of the verb. So get up, not got up, not past tense. So I get up, wash, not washed or washing, wash my face, brush my teeth, go to school, eat lunch, play with friends, play video games. So all base form. So first verb, about things we do every day. Get dressed, eat breakfast, eat dinner, go to bed. All right? So about things we do every day. Let's go to the song. The song is on page 8 and 9. Let's look at the picture. This is in Nizwa, Oman. Do you know where Oman is? It's in the Middle East by Saudi Arabia. If you know where Saudi Arabia is. And these girls, what are they doing? It looks like they are going to school. Looks like a school bus. And they have their backpacks on. Looks like they are going to school. Probably in the morning. So let's listen to the song Day by Day. This is page number 8 and it's track number 3. You can listen and sing along if you want.
Song. Activity 1. Listen, read, and sing.
Our classroom. Reading, writing, talking, listening, counting.
Oh, sorry, that was wrong. This is Unit 5. Sorry, 1 minute. That was the wrong song. Okay, this is the right song.
Song. Activity 1. Listen, read, and sing.
Day by day. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Can you tell me? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I always get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 every day. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Can you tell me? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I always go to school at 8. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Can you tell me? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I always play with friends at 3 o'clock. I play with my friends every day. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Can you tell me? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock at night. I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. I go to sleep at 9 every day.
Alright, what time is it? What time is it now? It's 4:23. What do you do in the afternoon? I usually work in the afternoon. Alright, next we're going to do grammar. Grammar is on page 10. So you can turn to page 10 in your student book. We're going to talk about telling time. So what time is it? When I ask this, I want to know what time it is now. So what time is it now? The answer would be, so what time is it? It's is the answer. So it's 1 o'clock. We can write 1 o'clock like this, or we can spell it out, 1 o'clock. Alright, when we ask when, I don't want to know what time it is now. I want to know what time you do something. So when do you get up? I want to know at what time you get up. So at, when we answer when, we use at. And then the time, 7 o'clock. We can write it like this with a 7, or we can spell it out, 7 o'clock. Also, we can ask about other people, not just you. I want to know about your brother. So when does he go to bed? He goes to bed at, we have the time, at 9 o'clock. All right, let's practice this. Okay, what time is it? What? The question word. Time is it? This is something I want to know what time it is now. Right now. The answer, what time is it now? It's 4:27. So we have hour. We'll make the hour orange. And minutes. Minutes can be pink. So 4 is the hour, 27 is the minutes. So what time is it now? It's 4:27. We can write this out. It's 4:27. Or if you want to give an estimate, like I don't want to know the minutes. I don't need to know the minutes, just the hour. It's 4 o'clock. So what time is it? We can write it out. It's 4:27 specifically, or it's 4 o'clock. If I don't need minutes, I just need the hour. So this is telling us what time it is when we're asking what. The answer is it's and the time. What about when? When questions, I want to know time, but I want to know when something happens, so we need a verb. So when questions, we need a verb because it's an action. When does something happen? When do you eat breakfast? In the morning. So what is the verb? Eat. Do is a word we use when we ask a question. So when do you eat breakfast? So do is a verb we use when we ask a question using a verb. If this was past tense, when did you eat breakfast? But this is every day. Because eat. If I want to know today, this morning, I would ask did. But it's not past tense. This is every day. So remember, every day. So usually, oops, why did that do that? Every day. So when do you eat breakfast? At what time? At 9 o'clock. Or I can write it at 9 o'clock. So when questions have at answers, at 9 o'clock. What time questions? What time is it? It's is the answer. So I want to know what time is it. So it is, or it's, 4 o'clock. When questions, the answer is at for time. When do you go to school? So when is the question word. Do you go? Go is a verb, to school. We can say at a time, maybe at 9:30. Or not specific, you can just say in the morning. So the at answer gives us a time. The time is at 9:30. If we don't have a time, just in the morning. So that can answer a when question. If you don't have time. What other answers can we have? In the morning, in the evening, at night, in the afternoon. So you can answer when questions with these. But if it's a time, we use at. Not a time of day, but a time on the clock. All right, let's practice a little more. I'm going to draw a clock for you, and we'll try to answer the question. Okay, here's our clock. We have 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, 3 goes here, and 9 goes here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. You like my clock? Okay. So the big hand goes to 12. To tell the hour, the little hand tells us the exact hour. When do you eat dinner? What is the answer? I'm asking when. When do you eat dinner? What is the answer? At. At what time? 5 o'clock. So at 5 o'clock. What about what time is it? I want to know what time it is now. What time is it? What is the answer? I want to know now. What time is it now? It's 10 o'clock. So what time is it? Question. The answer is it's and then the time. We can write out the time where we can put 10 ... Both are correct. So it's 10 o'clock. All right, let's go back to the grammar in the book, and we're going to do this together. Page 10. All right, what time is it? Look and write. All right, number 1. What time is it? It's what time? 4 o'clock. The big hand is on the 12, the little hand is on the 4, so it's 4 o'clock. All right, number 2, what time is it? It's, what is that? It's 10 o'clock. So 10 ... This means 10 o'clock. All right, number 3, what time is it? It's, what time is it? 12, big hand is on the 12, little hand is on the 6. It's 6 o'clock. Number 4, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. 2 ... This means 2 o'clock. All right, number 5, what time is it? It's, what number? It's a little handout, 8. It's 8 o'clock. And the last one, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. So we have 11 ... It's 11 o'clock. All right, let's go to the next page, page 21. Or page 11, sorry. Why did I say 21? I don't know. Page 11. We're going to ask questions. So this is Freddie, and he's a frog. And we're going to ask questions about when he does things every day. We have times here, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and so on. So we're going to ask when questions. When does he do something? Number 1, get up. This is the verb, get up. When does Freddie get up? He gets up at 5 o'clock. That is the answer. All right, wash his face. I think this is wash his face. So how would we ask the question? We want to know time every day. So when does Freddie wash his face? So every day, so we keep the verb in the first form. So wash. When does Freddie wash his face? Let's see. He washes his face at 7 o'clock. Maybe that's his shower. Right, number 3, eat lunch. How would we ask this question? I want to know every day. When does Freddie eat lunch? We use does because Freddie is a boy. So does he? If I was asking about you, I would ask when do you? But Freddie is he, so when does he eat lunch? When does he eat lunch? At 12 o'clock. This is his lunch, the fly. Alright, play with friends. These are Freddie's friends. How would I ask this question? When? When does Freddie play with friends? What time? When does Freddie play with friends? At 3 o'clock. Alright, number 5. Play video games. Here. So, when does Freddie play video games? When does Freddie play video games? At 5 o'clock. Alright, last one. Go to bed. Last one. Here. So every day I want to know what time Freddie goes to bed. When does Freddie go to bed? When does Freddie go to bed? At 7 o'clock. So we can ask questions using when if we want to know something you do every day. And the answer is at, and then the time. Alright, let's go to the next page.